Hey guys, welcome back to the third part of my profile application. In this part, we shall complete our profile fragment. And let us start. Remove this text view and add one image view. It width equals to match parent and give it 200 dp and let layout margin be 10 dp and elevation be 10 dp. Then we need to add the image source. Now we shall copy our image. Copy your image, then paste it in drawable folder. Click OK. Okay. And add the source here. And so now we need to add the card view. For implementing the card view, we need to add the dependency. The card view dependency of Android X is type implementation Android X dot card view. Then give sync now. Now come back to the profile fragment.xml and add the card view. And let the width be match parent and height be wrap content. And press Alt Enter on app. Then card elevation be 10 dp. Then layout margin be 10 dp. Now add one scroll view, match parent, width be and height be wrap content. Remove this frame layout and add linear layout. And add orientation vertical. Here add one more linear layout. Let it be match parent and wrap content and add orientation vertical. Add one text view, view wrap content and wrap content. Add the layout margin as 15 dp and text appearance be medium, and the apply gravity center, and also the layout gravity center, and the text be go to resources, values, then strings.xml. Add one more string, and name it as uh, title, and type whatever the text you want. And come back to profile fragment and add text and string title. Now add one more text view for the description. Text view, both are wrap content, and layout margin be 15 dp. Okay, this is margin, and text appearance be medium, and give the padding 10 dp, and text color be. And here also add text color. Let the text color be black, and we need to add the text here. And go to strings.xml, add one more string, and give it as description, and close the tag, and within the tag add some text. Okay, I have added the text, and go to fragment and just add string.description, and here you get the, and this is the card view, and this is the title and description of your profile. And this is all about this part. Thank you. This is Jeevan. We shall meet in the next part.